So, good afternoon and welcome to this gathering. Today, we are very happy to welcome our new Vice Chancellor, Shri Saurabh, Dr. Saurabh. So, you have joined us today, and I'm very happy to announce his background, his work experience, etc. He has a law background. He completed his LLB and LLM from CCS University, Meerut. You have worked with institutions, universities of top ranking like MIT, NMIMS, MIT, Pune, etc. And I have to tell you that both of us have worked in the same university, NMIMS University. When I was there, I happened to be, there as campus director. By that time, you have left. And Dr. Saurabh was Associate Dean of Law and taking care of law faculty very well there. And now we are together again as a team. And Dr. Saurabh has also coordinated very well, very successfully for NAP, NIR, etc. ranking requirements for the university in the past organizations. You have very good contribution for research, lot of publication in Scopus, Web of Science Index journals. You have total around 34 years of work experience, out of that 26 years in academics, 26 years and around 9 years in industry. You have worked as Pro-Vice Chancellor with MIT here in Chhattisgarh, here in Raipur. And before that, you worked with MIT, NMIMS, as I said, and you worked in the position of Dean, Director, etc., and Associate Professor, etc. Now we look forward to high level of contribution and value addition as Vice Chancellor for our university. And we heartily welcome you to join this family. A round of applause for
Honorable Chancellor, sir, Sardesh, my dear ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you all. I am Saurabh Chaturvedi, and I have been, like as suggested, that I have been working with the corporates for 9 long years, and then I shifted to academics and worked with many institutions in India and abroad. I have been working with many continents in many countries, many universities in Europe and Africa, and also in India. So, working as BBC with Abbott Universities and also with the Usha Bharti University in Ranchi, I learned some good things which have been helping me out to figure out that what would be my primary focus to this time. For now, as per the directives and as per the protocol I understand, which have been, we need to work together and to join the hands together to classify and to understand the particles what we need to see in the present time. That includes our curricular, co-curricular, and also extracurricular activities across. So many things you are known that we are passing through with a transformational duration in academia. Whatever we studied long back as a student, worked with many institutions, many things were not present by then. But with the passing of time, our needs are changing, the students are changing, our expectations are changing, and you are seeing that the world is expecting you to be up to date as per the expectations, whatever are coming to. The students are not the same students what you have been before. You have been following the instructions before. But now, the Gen Z is in a denial mode. They are in a denial mode and then they are denying whatever is instructed. I am looking forward that if the opportunity would be given to, I may be coming to all the faculties and to discuss with the faculty leaders that how we can develop and what sort of approach we should be adopting so the kids could be given the best feed. Let us start to create a platform and to understand what could be expected from the university and the support, and then how we can identify the needs which can be fed to the students individually. Every student is a complete book in himself or herself. Let us try to understand. For me, of course, yes. I would surely be helping. And let us try to make this world good and be resultful. Of course, the industry must be expecting us to achieve certain standards. This would be done. God is with us. Thank you.